Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, 900 million websites built on HTML. Welcome to another episode with Pixumweb. In today's episode, we're going to start off the process of creating websites from scratch. And it all starts off with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the skeleton of a website. Whether it's Facebook or it's Twitter or it's any one of your favorite websites online, it all comes down to the HTML first and then builds up from there to the CSS, which is cascading style sheets, to JavaScript, to PHP or Python or Ruby on Rails, and then into databases like MySQL or PostSQL or NoSQL or the various other types of databases you can power a website with. But again, it all starts off with HTML. So that's where we're going to get started in this course. What do you need to learn HTML? Well, you need a computer, and it doesn't matter what type of computer you have. It can be a Windows-based computer, it can be an Apple computer based on OS X, or it can be a Linux system. And a lot of developers do like using a Linux system, but again, it really doesn't matter which computer you use, because all you really need is a text editor and a browser, which all operating systems and computers have for the most part. So the text editor is the next component that you need, and again, it comes on most operating systems for free. But if you want better text editors, there are some great ones out there that you can choose from, and we'll start off with the one I recommend. It's Atom.io. It's a free text editor that you can use on all your systems, whether it's a Mac, Windows, or if it's a Linux system. It's a great text editor to use, has a lot of features. Another free text editor to use is Brackets.io. You can go to their website and download their text editor, and it also has a lot of cool features to it. Sublime Text is one of the favorites in the development community. It is a licensed text editor, which means that you can download it and evaluate it for an unlimited amount of time for free. But if you want to purchase a license, then you can do so. And I believe the license at this point in time, if you check, is currently $70. So again, the three text editors that I recommend, the first one is Atom.io, free text editor. If not, you can use Brackets, or you can use Sublime Text. And there's a lot of documentation on each of these text editors for you to go over. So again, we're going to start off the tutorial of HTML and how to create a website from scratch. And this will lead into further tutorials on how to style your HTML and how to add more dynamic functionality to your website, up to the point of developing highly robust dynamic websites. Who knows? Maybe you'll be able to create the next Facebook, the next Google Plus, or maybe the next Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. With the tutorials you get from either this channel or any of the other channels you find on YouTube, on the YouTube community. So stay tuned to the next episode as we'll go into the further details of HTML. Thanks for watching.